like heights.
Oh, really?
Though I will do some scary stuff
I was
way up
gonna
high.
say. So are roller coasters out for you?
Oh no, I do roller coasters all the time.
Yeah.
That's what makes them extra scary.
Yeah, exactly. No, I love the Rampage, and it would be a great day. I mean, we've had a couple of really great days. Hot, but to get out there and enjoy them.
Yeah, it hasn't been too humid for most of the week, but now it's starting to get humid.
Yeah.
And this kind of takes the fun out of the warmth. And we are looking at temperatures which are actually up around 90 degrees in a few spots. But let's start off with what is going on across our area. And as you see, across central Alabama, we are looking at temperatures which are a little more like what we would see in the summertime. No question about it. Temperatures range from 89 now in Alabaster to 88 in Coleman. We're looking at 88 in Tuscaloosa as well as Anniston, so the temperatures have dropped down just a touch as we've gone through the course of the afternoon. Again, warm and humid will be the real story, especially throughout the holiday weekend forecast. Offers a few showers and temperatures, well, they just can't cool down because of the fact that the atmosphere will see a slightly cooler day tomorrow in a few spots because of a little bit of air mixing, but other than that, it's tough for the atmosphere to cool down with this much water in it. As you see on the southeast radar view, there's no rain in Alabama, but showers and a few thunderstorms in a line across northern Tennessee. I'll be watching that to see if it holds together to move into the Tennessee Valley. But right now, this is where the severe weather threat is in flooding. Look at the thunderstorms just going over the same area over and over and over. And that is where we actually saw a tornado earlier and showed you the video of that at the top of the newscast. Thunderstorms very active across parts of Kansas back into Nebraska. Tornado warnings now south and east of Kansas City. A few which are pretty healthy now in eastern Kansas, prompting tornado warnings as well. But again, this is the closest rain we have. I don't see that we'll have a whole lot in the way of rain potential, but if that changes, it certainly will help to increase rain coverage for Marion, Winston, back into Coleman counties. Through the remainder of this evening into tonight, we'll still have a few clouds on and off like we've seen throughout the afternoon. Temperatures very mild, very warm as we head through the early morning hours. It's going to be a change compared to the cooler, crisper air which we had earlier this week. Numbers into the mid and upper 60s through the area tomorrow morning. There's some of the clouds and an isolated shower or two not out of the question across our area. Our models really aren't popping up a whole lot in the way of rain, but we could have at least a shot at a few isolated showers, and that will be through our eastern counties by 5 o'clock on Friday. Now, for those of you who are going out to watch baseball tomorrow, it is going to be toasty. A good bit of cloud cover, but still use the sunscreen because it is going to be one of those days where sun does get through some of the higher clouds. And this is an area of low pressure we're watching very carefully. Could this become our first named storm of the hurricane season, which hadn't even started yet? But this is the track, and it looks like by Sunday at 5:30, if you were headed to Charleston, maybe over towards anywhere along the coast of South Carolina, this is Sunday evening. It could be a bit rainy as well as windy if this becomes Tropical Storm Alex. We'll certainly be keeping you posted on that. Here's your Storm Track 7-day. Chance of an afternoon shower each day, and that will carry right into the first of next week. A little better chance of rain rolls in here, though, by the